Song Activity Factory.
On this video, you'll see how to use the song My Future by Billie Eilish for a fun ELT lesson plan. In this lesson plan, students discuss quotes, watch an interview extract, work with an interactive worksheet, lyrics, and much more. For detailed instructions, PDF, answers and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description.
This is the Song Activity Factory. Get ready.
Step-by-step lesson plan. Part 1, Quotes. Step 1, 5 minutes. Screen share the quotes and ask students to read them aloud. Help with the vocabulary. Ask, what's the theme or topic of the quotes? What's the difference between alone and lonely? Step 2, 5 minutes. Divide students into pairs, breakout rooms, and have them discuss the following. 1. Talk about the 3 quotes and say if you agree or disagree with them and why. 2. Say which one is your favorite. 3. Say which one is your least favorite. Step 3, 5 to 7 minutes. Back to the main room, have the pairs share their ideas. Have a mini discussion, and ask other students if they agree or disagree.
It's just that growth, it's growth, I feel like, at least for me, I feel like there was, I spent years and years relying on having someone.
Students watch the interview extract with Billie Eilish, and answer this question. Does she think that being alone is a positive or negative experience? Explain. Step 5, 5 minutes. Share the link to the interactive worksheet, and play the video again for students to complete. Play the video 2 or 3 times. Part 3. Musical grammar pieces. Step 6, 7 minutes. Show the slide with 2 verses from the song, for students to correct 6 grammar mistakes. 3 in each. Give them about 5 minutes to find the mistakes, but tell them not to give the answers now. They must write them down to check later. When the time's up, play the extracts twice for them to correct their work. Step 7, 10 minutes. Divide students into small groups, and put them in breakout rooms. They are going to compare their answers and come to a final group decision on the corrections. Step 8. 5 minutes. Back to the main room, a student from each group, the captain, sends you, privately, the corrected sentences. The group with more right corrections is the winner. Step 9, 5 minutes. Play the music video, and have students say what they thought of it to close the activity. Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.